everyone's goal is to be healthier and to save some money and be more financially fit as well this year. And I have the DIY trick that is going to help you do just that all year long. Arrowroot powder, milk of magnesia, Epsom salts, and shea butter. The magnesium helps control the odor. Milk of magnesia is actually also a great face primer for really oily skin, and then whenever you feel like you're gonna get sweaty or anything, or for a special event, yeah, it's actually a fantastic face primer, and it creates a great barrier between the makeup and your skin. Going back to the deodorant. The arrowroot powder will help you with not getting sweaty, and then the shea butter is really nourishing to the skin. You can make it without shea to make it oil-free, and so that it doesn't leave any stains behind, but shea butter makes it ultra luxurious, so that, and nourishing to the skin. So that is my favorite formula. And that is it. The trick with DIY deodorant or natural deodorant in general is that you want to reapply them at least once throughout the day. I know that is not ideal and you would like to have a 24-hour deodorant, but that is a bit of the trade-off that you do whenever you're using natural deodorant.